listeners, Harika here, and I'm super excited to welcome you to Upptalk. If you're ready to learn and get your hands work wonders in the world of information technology, then you're in the right place. When I say Upptalk, we are not just another edtech company. Consider we are your learning partner committed to unlocking your full potential. Whether you're stepping into the world of technology for the first time or looking to advance your career, we provide top-tier, hands-on courses to build up your career. Let's take our first step towards learning here and explore it.
We just started for the installation of the variation in the collections. We need to create one. And that's what I ask for you, right? Oh, remember how to create this. That's what we missed. The rest of it found it where I need to plant. A create session collection here and then start doing. I can give one PSM session recordings, whatever you want. And optional, you want PSM session, whatever name is your voice. Just create it and that will click. That will go to this. Then the manager hear the word. That's what I mentioned here by default. The final step. I remove the default domain. You just will and add a group of trusted administrators that authorize to connect to a SUN. Yes, here we need to kind of the separate world admin. That's what I already created. I just cannot remove it. How can I get it, Cyber? You created a group here. Right group of people will access the hire. Yes. I created and I added. I just want to show you today that integration, part of where it is that you did. Select it. What happened? This word I selected. What is not allowing the security and record not be resolved, and that to trust edges for the domain of the seller. iNetwork was not, finally, that this is the way we need to select for that users. Now I'm selecting just what you call domain. I just as well. I'm giving because relative some technical region, it is not allowing what is called. It was the manager's right. Let us also not coming. Can you do what? Just select a user, click on the user and click on advanced. Click on advanced. Find. Now you can see. And you have any created user here. Just add one user. I'm telling you, just add a user direct to user. Instead of adding a group, just add user. User click on advanced. Find now. Drop down. Trust your user way how they. Why you're not retaking time? It will come again. Then select the manager script dot. Basically, which we need to change as well. These have broken instructions. We need to change to this have been called. What many users because I already created. Such go to previous one. I know, just try to add the same group once. No, my name is. No, the same one. You created a group, right? I cannot. I have created 4. I will tell you why I created. This is a problem. Maybe this is a lab. I think that didn't allow. Always uncheck this because. And I build the user properties which I need to uncheck and then click on next. Then you create. Once the system, you can start doing the installation. The sessions. All the sessions will be recorded here in this user. In the collection, create collection. We already created, right? Now it will not ask that. Now we can see here. This is a 1. I will take the list of remote app programs that are available for both. I'm going to start the installation. Lab is not allowing all. I think some issues is coming with the lab. These are the steps. Have you remember what we did for? It's a very simple webinar. We are doing the PSM installation. We need to follow the some previous data. I'm explaining theoretical way. This is the previous which we need to do, the sum. Now installation is in the installation automation script. In that we have a scrape 1 second. This is the one which we are having. What will happen here? Just go to the open this and go to the installation automation. In that installation automation, go to the previous in the pre-degree. We have a configuration file, pre-degree configuration files which we need to update it. How we have to update it? Here there are the Annabelle should be as updates are. Data security layers should be as. Check all the other all on a 4.8 version is updated or not. Everything we need to keep it as an S. The last option should be also S. We have to update that as then I think it is not working here. Edit option I think of which. Here just click on edit and you can update it. It is just here. Like this, update it and start running on that. Start running the execute to states. Run with PowerShell. Click on the Run with PowerShell and update it. Just update the policy. Click on S, it will automatically go to the Ask Party path. Then what will happen? Then we have to update the path here and just double click on this or it will just open that and update the path. This path. You have to update here in this. Copy, paste and enter. It will automatically run that. Once it is done, it will ask for the reset and we have to click enter. It will automatically reset once you reset. In that time it will only. Now install half of these steps 2 out of 4. Then once you restart again, it is on that. No Windows PowerShell. It will automatically again Unitive provide this path. it will automatically take into the other path, whatever the pending path, concrete. Read it will be done through, which is a help of the power. With the help of this script, whatever they are provide there. This script. By using this script, this configuration, it will automatically run the script. Everything it will be done. Then once you've done that, the next step would be that we have to log in through AD, your PM server. You have to log in through AD. You have to connect through AD, and once you connect through AD, then you have to. How we have to connect this? I will show you that also. I open this now too. These are the two. You are able to see right. First and second. There are the two connection. First I have logged in the AD. However, then from the AD server I have logged in PSM server through AD server. What will happen? We are connecting the PSM server through AD. How we are connecting? Just click on that. I will connect and give the IP address of the PSM, then connecting. Once you connect from the AD server, we have to create the remote disk of services. Once we create that, then we have to create one collection. That is for a helpful to recording of all the sessions remotely and whatever it is. It will helpful to store all the sessions. Once we created the collections, then the private grades will be closed. Nothing, just simple. Whenever they are asking like that, you have to say like this. This is the important step, guys. Remote disk setup service is the important topic to how to create and tell them we have to connect through AD server. We have to connect to some server through AD server. Then only they will understand. Otherwise, they feel this guy is not connecting through AD server. Only the specification of the PSM server. We have to connect through AD server. Understand? The next step would be, once we have done the prerequisites, then we have to start the installation. Installation is nothing. I told you earlier, also just follow the some steps. That's it. One sec. I think already it is there. Installation is very simple and there is nothing. Just click on next. Here, just go to this next and it will ask next. Just nothing. Just can give the harm. I'm giving China a company. Whatever you want, your company name. This is nothing. Just go to the next. Maybe we have a later configuration. The last step. Only one thing I want to highlight here. Here always update the IP address of the vault and put this on vault. What is the vault address here? We need to go and get it. The vault address. for all the components. Did you observe that for all the components, we are giving the vault address? Here, administrator password. What do you give in on the at least the same thing we have to give? The same thing what we give in the write. If you hear HTTPS, you have to give that host. Host is pview host. We can give the pview host address. Alright. Any other organization. For example, if you are installing for one organization, that organization is following the Chi authentication. We have to enable the pick authentication for PSM. If you are not following that, no need to enable that. Go to that advanced. Configure out of the domain PSM server. Once again, I am checking that exact field. Only one thing we need to unselect. I will say with you this document is and prepare that and let me know anything required. This is the one. I'm going to go to that. Only one thing. I have to configure out of domain PSM server. We need to select that. Option, the configure out of what is this before processing. You need it here. Just select that and click on it. That's it. Once you click on the next, it will run the server, creating the vault environment. Because I already installed. For time again, I'm installing, for I just want to show you this. This is complete. Once you've done this, we need to check these services. And you can check, go and check this. I think you may get questions also after the PSM. Post installation of the PSM, what steps you need to do. I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to go to the next one name and come mention anything. Fine, just I'm giving that. That is not taking that much later. The reason I'm removing and taking one tool. Creating PSAM users and groups. It will be great. If you want to do multiple PSM cells, you can do same way. On that time you can get these. No pop-ups, just click on. See if you want to do the multiple PSM. We can get these pop-ups. It is already installed. Already saved, already created like that. You just say yes, because this will not again create that new steps. And then once this is done, after this, I just want to show that I'll end up in decoration today. Hey, but you can. Anyway, open that, your early server, and create 4 groups. I created 4 groups. Creator. What is that? I've got means. Your. Man, I saw it. One bind user is you can create. Remember this bind user and password. Open that bind user. You can mention as bind divine. That's it. Bind at the right. Tick. Remember the passwords. Open that briar wheel. We didn't start. We would have answered. No, it's already started, but I need to download the. Well, in the meantime, I would check this. No, still it is loading. I'm not. Why we are doing this? Alder integration. Why we are creating these 4 groups when you're creating the users. We have to allocate these users in that particular goal that they will get the authentic information. They will get authorization access. For example, if you are there into the vault admin, we will get complete access. If you are there into the users, you may get. Only you can just tick enable to log in. I will serve you the difference also. Go to settings. No. Configuration. I will get next option. No, not this. I will say I will have an new domain. Give the domain name. And connected with the domain is a bind at the right package come. Insert. Bind. Pass or what you given right, you gave the password. Same password you need to. Domain base balance and I will tell you DC equal. Domain name, comma DC equal. DC equal.com. Come see who I am. That's it. Next, wait. Uncheck up. Uncheck that done. Check your In organization, you have to follow the secure always. But here lab just telling, just click on next. You create it. Click on the select that box domain control. This is the one where this is our domain connect. Click on the vault admin groups vault. Select on the search box. You can type CyberArk. Cyber occurred means cyber occurred. Wait. Stay safe. Come down. We are doing just mapping to direct and vault. What you are going to map here, safe managers. The next auditors we are just mapping. That means whenever you are adding some groups, it will automatically add into this group. Whenever you are adding members into these groups, these 4 groups, it will add. 4 groups come down, little down. You need to see, have you mapped? Right now you can mapping, and that's where these are, and mapping created. These are. Come down. Now we are. Mapping is done. Go to the policy. Policy. Click on that. And the save go to the, to take any save, go to the saves. Save. Go to that window. Members. See, why just want to check this? We just want to see that whether it is added or not. Click on add member. And the vault search involved. Remove that. No, remove that wall and select that. Select that search. These are the groups which we are having in the domain. Now, whenever you want to add members from here, we can directly add here. You can select one group and it will automatically view the permissions for a particular user, whatever you want. You already selected one user, right? You already created one user. I have you remembered that user. Type in search box. It will come. Now create that under which group we have created, under users. No, it's not under the groups. No. And I didn't create any user under the groups. Just better. If we want, you can create a user same each 4 groups. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@uptalk.com.